Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to use Safeway digital coupons. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how to exactly use your Safeway digital coupons here? Well, using your digital coupons is going to be pretty easy. There are going to be a few things that you need to do here in order for you to use them. So in this case, we could actually refer to this article here and how to exactly use them. So in this case, in the self-checkout, in this case cashier, you want to scan your Safeway card. So if you're at the regular checkout here, hand it over to the cashier, and this actually links your digital coupons to your purchase. But yeah, so in this case, once your card is scanned here, the system will automatically apply any eligible digital coupons to your order, and you'll see the discounted prices on your receipt. So in this case, you may want to check your receipt just in case those coupons has been applied. But yeah, so just a few things that you need to do here. So in this case, for expiration dates, you want to check the expiration dates to use them before they expire here. And also, each digital coupon can only be used once per transaction, so just keep that in mind. And digital coupons cannot be combined with other discounts or paper coupons. So yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.